Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. I hope you're all having a lovely day. We have got another unboxing for you today. And you know I said I wanted a white pen to complete the collection? Well, look, I've got the white pen! And it's very, very exciting. Again, it was £5, so just going to undo that. And yeah, so as you can see, I've now got the blue, green and white one, but again, lovely packaging. And oh yeah baby, look at that. Oh, how groovy. Oh, I like that. It's almost like something's, if you turn it, it looks like this. See there, if you turn it like that, it looks like something's flowing down the pen, like hand wash. Oh, how cool is that? So that's good. This time I'm definitely going to put a multi-placer on because I need to start multi-placing. So it seems to go better on when you screw it, and then I'm going to put a standard screw head on as well. Sorry, a pen section on as well. Doesn't go in very much. You can see there's a little gap. I don't like gaps, but anyway. So yeah, that's pretty good, and that's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, that's gorgeous. Really like that. So again, you get your 3 times wax and multi-placers there, but just bear with me. I'm just going to grab something. So as you can see, guys, ta-da! I've now got the collection. It's a shame that the green one didn't come like that, because this one has like the groove and that one has the groove, but this one doesn't. But it is what it is. But I've got the whole collection now, and a lovely refill of 3 waxes in a pot. So I'm on the hunt. I'm in a pen collection at the moment, so if I find any more colours, I will come across that and collect them. But what a lovely set of pens. So if you like what you see, I'll put this in the comment box of the description of the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified for the videos I do. And I'll see you very soon for another unboxing. Bye guys.